talk about the next theorem of this section. But before we can address that theorem is written using some terminology that we don't know yet. So we're going to talk about that terminology, and then we are going to have what are we talking about? Interior angles and exterior angles. Okay, when we talk about interior and exterior angles, okay, an exterior angle, guys, is when we take a triangle, okay, and we take a side of that triangle and we continue to pass it through a vertex. So we extend that side of the triangle beyond that vertex. What we create out here, see if I can get that angle right there, is referred to as an exterior angle. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, when I do this, I can do this with any one of these sides. So, kind of show you another grouping of exterior angles. That would be another exterior angle. Okay. There would be, that was the first one, I guess. There would be another one. Okay. If I put all of them in at once, you can kind of see if there's a total of 6 exterior angles, right? Now, if I look at just those two, okay? When we look at this exterior angle here and that exterior angle there, what's the relationship between them? They're vertical, okay? So a lot of times we won't talk about both of them at the same time. We'll talk about that one. Because what I learned about that one tells me the same thing about that one. Is that all right with everybody? Okay? But those are our exterior angles. We'll talk about exterior angles with every shape that we deal with this year. At some point, and that's kind of the way we do it. If you kind of view this as like a clock, are all these kind of going off in a clockwise kind of direction from that vertex through that one, and then from this vertex through that one, and so forth. Okay, so we look at those exterior angles. When we identify an exterior angle, then that automatically categorizes 2 other angles in our triangle. Okay, it creates or identifies those angles that we call remote interior angles. You guys know what remote means? Okay, so remote island. A remote island is an island that is far away from everything else, right? If I'm sitting on the couch and I want to change the channel, what do I use? I use the remote, right? Because I can change the channel. I can control the TV from far away, right? So the word remote means that we're far away from something, okay? Would you agree that of my triangle, those 2 angles are the ones that are furthest away from the exterior angle? Okay? Basically what it's saying is that if I look at an exterior angle, the remote interior ones are the ones that are non-adjacent. Because that where my cursor would be the one that is adjacent to it, right? So the remote interior ones then are the non-adjacent angles of the triangle to that exterior angle. Now that changes because if I look at, to kind of go back to this picture, if I look at just describing these angles by numbers, this is angle